So yes, the Darrs are officially on the move. The Malibu Pier. Hello, hello. We are on the move today. I am on my way to a doctor's appointment because I don't know, like threw out my back. I don't know if I just didn't warm up properly or I was just going too hard, but I messed up my back and I've been in pain. So finally getting in to see the doctor. Hopefully they'll tell me that I can work out. I don't know. Hopefully it's nothing too bad and I can go back to working out. So welcome to the vlog. It's busy days ahead. It's gonna be a busy week. So glad that we had such a relaxing time in Hawaii because ever since we got back, it has been go, 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 non-stop. And it's just, there's no sign of it slowing down anytime soon. So I'm actually on time for my doctor's appointment. I'm gonna head in and I'll catch up with you in a second. Well, I finished up at the doctor's. All is well. Basically, I did like strain a muscle in my back. He was saying heat compress, cold compress, Advil, leave, and doing like gentle movements. Basically, welcome to 30. But at least it's nothing too serious. Just gotta take it kind of easy. Probably the next couple weeks, he said movement is good, but I'll just take things pretty easy. I'm now in the Home Depot parking lot. Just got a whole bunch of boxes because Sam and I are getting ready to move. I will talk more about that later, but right now I am so hungry that I cannot even think straight. So I'm gonna munch on my little protein bar. I don't know about you, but I always have snacks in my bag, even before being a mom. Like now my snack bag is stacked, but I always have like a little snack. I've been loving these no-cow dipped protein bars. First of all, they taste amazing. Second of all, they're made with no dairy. Like it's not made with whey protein. So there's no dairy in them, which my stomach totally thanks me for. I try to stay dairy free as much as possible because it just does not agree with me. So I love that these don't have whey protein, but the macros are great. 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, and only 26 carbs. So they are protein packed and they are delicious. This is the strawberry shortcake flavor. If you love sweets, you're gonna love this one. My favorites are any of the chocolate ones. There's mint chocolate, there is like a cookie dough, and I had the salted caramel for the first time yesterday. I don't know if it's salted caramel or like a salted chocolate. It was like eating a candy bar. It was so good. They are so delicious that No-Cow will refund you your first order on their website if you dislike your flavor. These are great when you're on the go and busy like me, or a post-workout snack to get that extra protein. They are gluten-free, keto-friendly, non-GMO, kosher certified, dairy-free, and vegan. So use my code for 20% off your first order and get to snacking because they are delicious. This is the dipped bar. This is half of it. Oh my gosh, and 15 grams of fiber. Okay, now that I've had my snack and I feel like I can function again. Today I'm super excited because I'm headed to Nobu in Malibu, which I have never been to before, but have always wanted to go. And contrary to what the movies will lead you to believe, it's a good like 50 minutes to an hour away with traffic. So I need to head home, change, get ready for that, and go to Malibu. This is not a normal day in the life, but I am very excited for this day. The Malibu Pier. Good. Really? Cold, yes, cold. Cold. Well, this is hot. I'm gonna get some eggs. Scrambled eggs. Eggs. Ooh, that's hot.
Yummy.
Yummy. Get some fruit.
What?
Fruit. Blueberries?
Beer. That's
Yes. Good
okay.
job. Yes. What else? Avocado? Do you remember that?
good.
Avocado. Oh, we don't eat that whole.
Yummy.
You're crazy.
Go.
It's good.
Marco.
Margot. Hi, Margot. Good morning. So getting in my workout, I'm gonna take it really easy. I'm gonna do a little at-home Pilates class. My favorite is this girl, Move with Nicole, on YouTube. She has great classes. They're usually like 20-30 minutes. They're tough, but doable. So I'm gonna do one of these. Gonna feel good after. I'm actually feeling a lot better this morning, so this will be really good.
Welcome back to another workout. Today I have a full body Pilates workout.
I have to tell you our Nobu story from yesterday. So, I mean, I'm sure we all know of Nobu at least. Like, it's very hoity-toity. The Kardashians eat there, celebrities, like, it's expensive. So we're done eating in the valet parking lot because, of course, it's valet only. And we're in this lot, and I kid you not, every single car is this luxury vehicle. BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Range Rover, you know, the G-Wagon with the custom paint job and the rim kit. Like, I feel like I've set the scene. You understand what the parking lot looks like. So we're waiting for our car. All of a sudden, we hear in the distance, white Nissan. And we just stand there just like, that's us. Just all of these ridiculously expensive cars. And he's just called out our little classic white Nissan. But it was so funny. We just died laughing. You know, we're like, you couldn't just call it like the cute little white car? Like, you had to call us out like that? You couldn't be like the cute little white car with the tan interior? This is an SL Nissan. L stands for luxury. Thank you. So we just died. We thought it was so funny because here we are thinking we're so cute, going to Nobu on a Monday. Look at us. And like, no, we got brought back down to earth real quick. It was great. It was so funny. Nobu was delicious. That was my very first time going. It's been on my bucket list of restaurants. So it's ridiculously expensive, but it's so good. Anyways, the plan for today is to continue packing. I got a bunch of boxes so far. Can you believe that that's just my closet? You don't realize how much crap you have, how much stuff you have until you have to pack it all up and move. So that's kind of on the agenda today. The in-laws get in tomorrow and we go to San Diego this weekend. So very excited for that, but that means I gotta be busy today. I gotta get things done. I need to concentrate. Packing is the worst, but let's do it. Packing is literally the worst thing ever. I have been doing this for hours and I look around and not only is my apartment just a mess, I feel like I have made no progress. Look out, girl. Okay. Ooh. What's gonna bug me? But that sticks out. That's gonna bug me that it sticks out, girl. So yes, the Darrs are officially on the move. We are packing up. I'm packing up really early because there's just so much like going on. In-laws get in tomorrow and then we head to San Diego for about a week. Then we're back in LA for like, I think it's like 3 days. And then Hudson and I fly to Florida for 2 weeks. And then I come back and we pack up and like leave the next day. So I'm so stressed. Like time is just, time is nothing. Time is flying by. Just trying to get a head start now so that Sam isn't left with the bulk of everything and that when moving day comes, we just pack up and go. Yeah, I guess I'm just trying to put my thoughts together of what to say. We are leaving California. Like I still can't believe it. And moving to Florida. That's why I will be in Florida for 2 weeks looking for a place to live. So crazy. I just, honestly, I never thought we would leave California, but things change, priorities change. It was a really tough decision to make because our life is here in California. Jobs, friends, our life. But we don't have any family here. All of our family is on the East Coast, and that's definitely something that we miss. And I want Hudson to know his family. I want Hudson to be close to his family. I grew up very close to my family. My sister-in-law just had her second baby in July. And you know, it's just these kinds of things that pull you in different directions, I guess. Things change, life changes. I don't know, I'm just trying to like pull my thoughts together. Like, what am I trying to say? But what I'm trying to say is the Darrs are out and we're moving to Florida. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. If I think of anything else, I'll let you know. I am back in the gym today, gonna take it really easy. I think I'm gonna really focus on some like core building work. Just like really focusing on the abs, maybe do a little bit of lightweight back workout just to strengthen like my upper back muscles that are maybe like, that my lower back is like compensating for if they're not strong enough. So focus on the core. I'm not gonna push myself too hard, but just get some movement in. Welcome to my little ab workout. I spent a good amount of time warming up, just getting everything loose. This stretch feels incredible and really good for opening up your hips. I just do a few circles in each direction. Moving into some body weight squats. Squats have so many benefits beyond growing the butte. They're great for increasing strength in your hips and range of motion. They improve your anterior core strength and a great fat burner, just to name a few. I did a few other lower body movements as well as some hip openers, and then finished up the warm up with a few cardio bursts just to get the heart pumping. moving into the workout, I did 12 different exercises for a period of 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. I moved fairly slowly through them and just modified when needed. Like this move, I added a little assistance with my hand behind the knee. And then the sun just really came out and my camera had trouble adjusting to the exposure. So now I'm just a glowing white figure on your screen. The single leg glute bridge is a great exercise to improve your hip mobility and strengthen your lower back and glutes. I can feel how tight my hip flexors are as well while doing this movement, which could also be contributing to my lower back issue. So this is a great exercise that you can do every day. Some V roll-ups. I once heard that this is equivalent to 6 crunches, so I always incorporate this into any ab routine. And this little move is actually way harder than it looks, but I just really feel it deep in those transverse abs. This is another leg lift variation. It's a pulse-pulse switch, pulse-pulse switch. I modified it by having a slight bend in the knee, so if you need to modify it even more, just bend that knee. I like adding on to moves that I love, so here are those roll-ups again, but adding a knee to the chest at the top, and I needed to modify, so I just did single legs, but a double leg bend is ideal. So these are like modified windshield wipers, but really I just did it because it felt good for my lower back. The last move is a Russian twist, which again I had to modify. So I just lifted one leg at a time for a couple of rotations and then switched. I did do a few upper back and shoulder exercises, but my camera died. So maybe I will show you in another video if you guys are interested. No one is busier than a woman the day before she goes out of town, the day before a trip. Why is this? But there's so many things you feel like you have to get done. You go into Target, you don't know why, but you come out with a cart full of items. It's packing, it's all those last minute things that you need for the car ride. It's chaos. But now I am at a hair appointment. I'm gonna go in. Guys, I think I'm gonna go a little bit shorter with my hair. I have been loving short hair me. I think this is the shortest currently that I've ever had my hair. I'm just a long-haired girl, long-haired girly girl. But I have been loving the short hair and I feel like I just want to go a little bit shorter and then I'll start growing it out again and be the long-haired girl that I am. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog now, go get my hair cut. But thank you so much for hanging out with me and I love you lots and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.